Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share this month's club stamp and die set with you because, oh, you can never get too many of these. Let me tell you. Well, let me just jump in because it's like so important. But first thing I want to tell you is you're going to love it. Second thing I'm going to tell you is if you're in our stamp club or our die hard club, Ken gets up extra early to get these in the mail to you right away. If you are not in our stamp and die hard club, my first thing to say to you is why not? Do you like to save money? Yes. Do you like Happy Mail? Yes. Do you like to go to your mailbox and open it and get something exciting? Hello? Yes. Do you like to go to a website and get extra discounts every single time you order, every single day, on every single item? Yes. Do you like to make cards? Yes. Okay, then that's it. 5 different reasons why you need to be in one of our clubs. They start as only $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new photopolymer stamp set sent to you automatically each month. So for $13.99 a month, we charge your credit card on the first of the month, and we send you a brand new stamp set that I design each month. Now, I always design new ones every month. Also, they're always very general in theme. They need to appeal to as many people as possible, correct? And they're so much fun. Now, some of you are saying, Stephanie, I love stamping, and I would totally consider doing that, but there's no way in the world I'm getting out my scissors and I'm gonna try to fuzzy cut that. Now, I know a lot of you call it fussy cutting. It's not fussy cutting, it's fuzzy because it always looks, ugh, right? Well, I agree with you. I'm not gonna cut them out either. That's why we have the Die Hard Club. It's the same stamps as the Stamp Club, but the dies that match, which are so incredibly important, right? Look at that. It's amazing. Now, let me talk about these. Let's look at these. This one is called Bunches of Blooms. Look at this. So much fun. So you're getting the fun bunch of balloons, bunch of flowers wrapped like in paper with a cute little bow. You're getting this beautiful basket you could lay them into also. And let's look at the words we have here. Just a little note, birthday blooms for you, thanks a bunch, just because you're loved, a basket of love for you, and hello sunshine, extra flowers in there to add to the back of your cards if you want to. So much fun. Now, as I mentioned, yes, there are dies that match. So here are the dies that match. We give you the inside dies and the outside dies. So here you have the inside die, if you want to die cut it right on that stamped image, or the shadow die. I know you really can't see it here, but it is there. So I've also given you extra dies. So if you want to die cut this separately and add it onto your stamped image, you can. I threw in a couple little extra this time. Don't tell anyone because yes, this cost me more, but it did not cost you more. Once you're in one of our clubs, as long as you stay in that club, your price never goes up. So when I give you extra dies, you're still paying the same. When we raise the prices of our clubs, because, sadly, prices go up, right? You're locked in, you're grandfathered in, you are locked in at that price that you signed up for as long as you stay in the club. So let me count and tell you how many actual dies you're getting here. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because of the shadow, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I say 10, but really these two are stuck together. So you're really getting 9, but 10 cutouts. So there you go, okay? Now, you're also getting a handy dandy postcard, shows you a couple ideas, shows you the other add-on items that you can get if you want to. Now, we have an idea gallery on our website. You can go see a ton of things. Now, I want you to see some of the awesomeness my design team created. Here we go. Here is one. Look at, the fun A2 bottom edge. Don't you just love that? Isn't that so pretty? Look at that. There's a better shot. Look at how fun that is. Love that basket. Love the flowers in the basket. Or just do this one. This is also using the stencil. Oh, there's a stencil. Oh yeah, there's a stencil as an add-on purchase. Here's another one. Ooh, looking at, and if you get really close on this one, you'll notice the white jelly roll pens that were used. I have in my Amazon store, I have a link to those. They are amazing. I can't sell them to you because I can't sell them to you as cheaply as Amazon can. So So I want you to save money. Okay, here we go. Then we have, ooh, look at those flowers. Aren't those so pretty? I love that. Here's another one. Oh, using our reverse corner. I'm telling you, I love our reverse corner items so much. Ooh, or one of our grids. There you go. Look how pretty that is with all those fun flowers in there. So cute. Here's another one. I love it with that fun basket. Oh, here's one of our cute little ladybugs. Lovable ladybugs. Stamps and dies are added to this one. So cute. And look at that decal edge square. Don't you just love that decal edge square? And then, ooh, add some vellum behind it. Look at that. That is fantastic. I love it. Now, you can even make matching envelopes if you want to. Now, my friends, if you're in the Stamp or Die Hard Club, you get to sit back, relax, and not worry about a thing, right? It's on its way to you. I do recommend you go check on the add-on items for this collection because there are stencils, stamps, dies, lots of yummies you'll want to check out. And those items, the first 24 hours they're on our website, I know you know, but some people might not know. They're on flash sale. So go to our website, stampsoflife.com, round out your collection with the other items that do go with this set, and go check them out. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.